The Green Witness: Plants, Polygraphs, and the Boundaries of Perception. In 1966, in a quiet Manhattan laboratory, a polygraph examiner named Cleve Backster attached two small electrodes to the leaf of an ordinary houseplant. He was not a botanist, he was an expert in lie detection. And according to his own account, when he merely thought about burning the leaf, the needle on his instrument suddenly swung violently, as though the plant had somehow perceived his intention. The claim was extraordinary. It suggested that a common Dracaena, a plant with no brain and no nervous system, could detect a thought forming inside a human mind. Baxter called it primary perception, a kind of baseline awareness shared by all living cells. The experiments multiplied. Plants allegedly reacted to the death of brine shrimp in adjacent rooms. They appeared to respond to human emotion. And when a journalist brought these findings to a mass audience in 1973, millions of people began talking to their houseplants, convinced the green world was listening. Even vinyl records were produced specifically designed to be listened to by houseplants. The scientific establishment was far less persuaded. Controlled replications at Cornell and elsewhere failed to produce the dramatic results. Critics pointed to a lack of blinding, to the dozens of environmental variables that could cause electrical fluctuations in a leaf, and to the fundamental absence of any known mechanism by which a plant could detect a human thought. And yet the question has never fully disappeared. Modern researchers have documented plant behaviors that suggest learning, chemical communication, and environmental awareness far more sophisticated than once believed. None of it confirms telepathy, but it suggests that the boundary between sentient and insentient life may be less certain than we assumed. The polygraph needles have long since gone still. The laboratories are quiet, but in sunlit windows around the world, the plants remain, patient, silent, and utterly indifferent to our need for answers. Hawk's Eye is a mini-documentary series where I dive into the most magical, mysterious, and sacred corners of our world, and I'm learning right alongside you. Each episode is a journey into the stories civilizations have whispered about for millennia, from ancient texts and secret societies to forbidden wisdom hiding in plain sight. Come see what we uncover together. For more in-depth information on this subject, head to my website, tfhcalifornia.com.